All right, hey, trying out my new GoPro 12. Just got this to replace my camera. I am in Pawnee, Oklahoma at an antique tractor show, obviously. So I'm just gonna walk around and check out some of the stuff that's on display here. They have mini tractor pulling going on here today. It's a 3-day event. It's like a antique tractor association here in Pawnee. Thought it'd be something neat for the day. I haven't been to a tractor show in a long time. Look at them tires. It's a pretty good size event. There's probably several hundred tractors here. Excuse the wind noise. This is one of my favorites, the Rumley tractors. One of my favorites. We got a little bit of a car show here, a little bit of a carnival kind of action. I've only seen one tractor for sale so far, which surprises me. Usually you got quite a bit of stuff for sale at these events. So this club is headquartered here, whatever this Pawnee, Oklahoma tractor club is. This is their headquarters in this town, so I'm sure they have more than one event per year. We've had a lot of rain in the last few days, so it's still a little bit muddy out. go check out the car show. Oh, let's check out the little tractors. I just love them steam tractor engines. That looks like it would be so fun to own. Oh, I like this one, Old Ugly. That's a hot rod tractor right there. Look at that. That's so cool. 2-cylinder. Looks like it's got a real transmission hook to it. That is pretty sweet. It's a fun toy. A snowblower. Don't have a need for many snowblowers out here in Oklahoma. It's a mean little pulling machine right there. Oh wow, check out this go-kart. How fun. How fun is that? Car tractors. I guess this weekend, like all the neighboring towns are having like yard sales and garage sales, so there's all kinds of antiques and stuff for sale. I guess first weekend in May is a good time to come and shop in this area for stuff, I guess. I like this golf cart. That's pretty cool. vehicles over there. Kind of a neat little contraption here. I'd love to have one of these Ford 8Ns. That would be perfect for my uses. Ooh, tractor drawing. Might have to enter for that. Oh, that's fantastic. Look at this. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the tractor.